Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. And in today's audio, I want to talk about my favorite instant manifestation technique. If you're anything like me, then you would prefer that your manifestations come sooner rather than later. So I'm going to give a quick technique that I use to master your energy and get your results faster. Before we get started, if there is something that you would like to manifest instantly, give this video a like, and also drop an emoji in the comments about how you're feeling today. One emoji to describe your emotions right now, and a quick law of attraction success story that I want to read to you guys really quick. So Pierre G wrote in the comments, "Hey Amber, I just wanted to drop a comment and tell you how much your videos and manifestation tools have helped me turn my life around. In a short period of time after working on all of the scripting worksheets, I have manifested a 2022 vehicle, an amazing girlfriend, and a huge unexpected amount of money that I used on a down payment on a house. I'm still in disbelief but super grateful. Thank you for your energy and time." So congratulations to you, Pierre. I like to read those for a little motivation to all of my viewers. Now, all of my law of attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box below, including up to 16 different guided scripting worksheet topics, how to manifest ebook, raise your vibration audio, cheat sheets, 2023 planner, personal advice, etc. Now, when it comes to manifesting instantly, and by instantly, we just mean really fast. You clicked on this video because you want to know how to manifest really, really fast. And the best thing that I can tell you is that instant manifestation comes with a great mood, happy energy, high frequency. Right. But sometimes we're in a reality where we're looking at things for what they are and not for what they could be. For example, you could have bills coming out and you just don't know how you're going to pay them, etc., etc. And you're like, okay, well, how can I focus and be happy and think from the end if I'm looking at my reality and I'm short, and now you're in a lack mindset, right? This is what I want you to do. This is my favorite instant manifestation hack. So I want you to think of something that makes you extremely happy. It does not have to be related to the thing that you want to manifest. So if you want to manifest money, you don't necessarily have to have really happy thoughts about money, because that's something that you have to build. You have to build momentum when it comes to that, right? But you also want to manifest fast. So this is what you do. Think of something or go do something that puts you in an extremely good mood. For me, I go back and I look at old photos, old videos, things that make me laugh. I like looking at people on YouTube when they're traveling to these nice places and they're around a whole bunch of luxury. That's the type of stuff that makes me happy. Or when I'm out with my friends, or I'm about to go see my friends, or with my family members, I use that opportunity to feed off that energy. So when I am in a extremely good mood and I'm happy, I'm laughing because I'm thinking about something that isn't causing resistance, I use that opportunity to manifest right there. And typically it happens fast. It happens fast because one, is other things going around, and it gives me the opportunity to detach because I'm around different people or I'm thinking about something else. So let me break it down further. Say you want to manifest $100 and you need the $100 fast. So this is the approach that I would take. Say I am talking on the phone with my friends and we're laughing so much. I'm not even thinking about the $100. But every now and then I'm going to check in and think from the end, because I'm using that energy from what's going on around me. Say I'm laughing, I'm having a good time, and then I say an affirmation in my head and I say something like, I really love when I receive new money. And then I will visualize me receiving $100 or me counting out $100, etc. And then after that, I detach by refocusing on what's around me. Hopefully that makes sense. That is a instant manifestation hack that I use all the time. I remember a few years ago when I was at my cousin's wedding and I was around all of my family members. But in the meantime, it's so much love around. Everybody's laughing, everybody's having a good time. So I fed off that energy. I'm around my family, I'm around people that I love. So I'm absorbing that energy. And then randomly, I'm like, I really love when I receive new money. And then I look at my phone and somebody has paid me for something or somebody has sent me money. I'm visualizing that as it happens, and then I check back into my reality. But my reality, I'm having a good time. So feed off good energy around you, and you don't necessarily have to think about the exact thing that you want to manifest. Like, you don't have to force it. You feel me? You don't have to say, oh, I love money, I love money, I love money, I love money. You don't have to do that. Just find something that makes you extremely happy. Think about that. Let that shift your energy, and then tap in with it. Like, you know what? I really love receiving new money. Visualize it happen to you, and then go back to thinking about the thing that makes you happy. So that is my favorite manifestation hack. Add a little affirmation, a little bit of visualizing, and then you dip back out and you detach by checking back in with your fun reality that you're having. But I just wanted to drop that off. I wanted to do an actual video of this, but my uncle just passed away actually a week ago, and we found out yesterday. So I think I'm about to be in and out. But my law of attraction tools, my scripting package, you can see all of the testimonials on the page. My manifestation bundle is for instant download. I don't care where you are in the world, you can access it right now. Check out all my other videos and stuff like that, and I hope you have an amazing day.